Hi everyone, I was just working on my Delta Trooper and then I discovered something very sad. I managed to break off a post in my priming handle. Okay, so you can see here, this is the one side and you can see there is a pin there. Okay, but this pin has managed to break off. And I guess this is due after I upgraded the spring of the blaster. I put in a stronger spring and now one of the posts in my priming handle is broken off. So how do I go about repairing this? Let me show you how. Okay, so where do you start? You start by using an old shell like this, and then you have to find a post that is similar or what you can cut off. So I use my Dremel tool and I actually cut off the post right there, okay, to just get a little piece like this. Okay, so now if you look at the top down view, you can see I've got the area that's broken off and the other one next to it, and I've got this little piece of plastic. So, and I've got two screws here. Okay, so what am I going to do? What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to level off the area right here with the Dremel, just going to level it out so it's even. And the idea is I'm going to fit this screw or screw it into this hole over there like that. Okay, then I'm gonna break the tip off and I'm gonna screw this piece of the post onto it while applying some PVC glue, okay, just to make sure that it stays in place. That would secure the new post and hopefully everything will be sorted, and I'll obviously use the Dremel just to cut it to size. Okay, let's get going. Okay, with the head off, it should look something like that now. Hope you can see. And now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this piece of white plastic or post that I already cut off, and I'm simply going to screw it over that screw. Actually, let me just put a bit of PVC glue inside just to make sure that it bonds. Let me just put some around the base as well. Okay, so check it out. We've got a brand new post in place, like that. Check there, voila. So all now that remains that I have to do is I just have to make sure that the two posts are the same length. So let's just get this to the handler. See, there they are. Perfect. So all I have to do now is to make sure that this one is the exact length that it is required. And to do that, all I have to do is you take, oh, obviously the post fits in somewhere. So in this case, this is my Delta Trooper, and I will just push it in place like that. And I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a bit of excess here. There's some excess right over here. So I need to take about, looks like about 3 mils that I need to take off from that post. Okay, and that is how you repair a prime handle that makes use of a post. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comments. See you next time, guys, and please remember to subscribe. Cheers.